Welcome, guys, to day number 6 of our 7-day Metamorphosis course. I'm super excited today to talk to you about becoming a purposepreneur. So, day 1, we did that North Star exercise to find alignment, to find that bigger why, that North Star, right? That path. And today, obviously, you might have a personal project, you might not be ready to become an entrepreneur, or you might already be an entrepreneur, but you don't think that you need something different than what you're actually doing every day. But I'm going to tell you something. If you don't have that special energy, that special drive, if you're still going day by day, ups and downs with motivations, you don't have that true directions, you're not serving others, you're not giving back, there's no community feels, you're alone in your little cocoon of a business, then we're gonna explore a new way, a new path, and it's the purposepreneur path, right? What are the things that gives you energy? How can you be obsessed about something, a positive obsession? And how can you be aligned with your true value, your true self, and your skills, your knowledge, your past experiences, so that you can give back and you're gonna feel amazing about it? And guess what? You're gonna get paid for it. Are we looking for an exit? Are we looking to build a business that we can sell in a couple of years? No. This is the opposite of becoming a purposepreneur. I am a purposepreneur and I don't see myself retiring. I see myself coaching until the day I die, to be honest with you guys, whether it's 85, 95, 105. I just want to give back, and giving back, coaching, teaching, motivating people gives me energy. I had a day a week ago that I had 10 sessions, 10 clients that day. And I finished the day at 9 p.m. and I was bursting of energy. I felt so alive. So I want you guys to find that path. So obviously now we're talking about business, but if for you it's too daunting, let's just talk about personal project in your case. We all have a mission buried inside, a special energy. It's easy for us to do certain things, and those things are so hard for others. We're gonna concentrate on those things, right? And I want to redefine work. What is working? With a drive, with a smile on your face. Is it truly working in a way? Yes, it is, but it's just a different lens. We're looking at the situations with a different lens here. Purpose isn't always about quitting your job today. It's about carving a block of your life that is yours. Maybe it's a side mission, maybe a full business. What matters is that you're no longer surviving. You're building and you're thriving, right? We're gonna find your genius zone, the zone that is linked with your flow state. You're super immersed into productivity work and your creativity as well. So those two things blend together is the zone of genius. We're gonna build those systems, right? We've talked about the systems in the past, but now we can build those that are truly related to that purposepreneur path. The A, B, and C plan as well that we've talked about yesterday. We're gonna build those playlists so that we're connecting the dots as far as what are the missing links inside that bridge foundation, so that you build confidence, you build skill and knowledge, so that obviously that confidence is going to come with all that hard work, and we're going to fight boredom and the kind of like black or white aspect of our lives with a couple of match plans that are set in stone, part of a new system, right? So let's go. We look at the PurposePreneur GPT. You have the link. Start here, and then you're gonna have access to a couple of sections. So first, your past pain, all the traumas you had from the past, right? You are a survivor. Even if we don't dig too deep, the person you were 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 15 years ago, you are a survivor. Now you have new skills, new experiences, new knowledge, so that you can help other people that were you back in the days, right? So this is a part of the solutions, a part of the path to become a purposepreneur, is to choose pain points and to focus on those pain points, and you got to the desired outcome with your past experiences. And how can we bring people into your ecosystem so that you're solving pain points, bigger problems. It makes you feel amazing, and you build a business with it, and people are willing to pay you for. Unlimited energy, finding the things, the actions that gives you energy. It's possible, and it's going to be part of that match plan for you. And we want to build a mission brand, a mission business, right? And I do believe that it's going to be related to community at some point. You're going to involve other people, and you're going to build a movement. And for some of you guys, you might not see it right now. It might be like, oh, not there. Okay, what if we can project it and then we reverse engineer it on a daily basis so that we can start building that foundation? The genius zone, we're going to figure it out exactly what is truly purpose fulfilling to you. The inner peace, the bliss, what kind of people you want to serve, people you want to help, people you want to impact, inspire. We all have superpowers. Let's find yours and let's build a business with it. So we talked about bad triggers, the triggers that were leading towards procrastinations and distractions. Now we can build some flow trigger by prepping the field and by shifting gears towards being a builder, a producer instead of a consumer, right? Now your environment will support your new identity as a purpose. We're going to protect your block of productivity, your flow state, your zone of genius, the plan A, B, and C as well. Obviously, we've built some related to your identity, your momentum, the commitment and resilience. So now we're going to implement new videos into those playlists so that we're looking at building a business as well. Personal project to then a business at some point. We're going to have filter rules and boundaries for the zombie mode. We're going to have mission mantra, I am a builder of purpose, one aligned brick at a time. Identity in motion, visual anchor, a funnel snapshot as well. I've dropped this into my day 6 PurposePreneur snapshot. It's posted where I can see it. It's not the quote anymore. It's an execution system. We will build systems. Purpose isn't just a feeling. It's a direction, a system, and a standard. Today you didn't just write down clarity. You locked in into your environment, your nervous system, and your calendar. What's the one ritual you'll use daily to remind your body you're building something legacy level, purposeful, right? Then again, like the other day, open a new tab, copy and paste in your doc, share it with me if you're a client, and here's the link if you want to become a client. This one is my favorite one because I'm going to build my next course related to becoming a purposepreneur. This is my favorite niche. So if you truly connect with it, please contact me. Let's connect because I really want to bring you into that world of purposepreneur. I'm living it. I have that special energy and I don't want to keep it for myself. I want to share it with as many people as possible. So good luck. Have a good day. See you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a look at this other video right here and please do like and subscribe. And if you want to join our empowering, uplifting community of entrepreneurs, click down below and see you on the other side.